you can see by the title, today's gonna be a mad day. Like, today's a sick day. As you can see from the title, we're getting a new exhaust. We're getting a new exhaust today. I'm excited. I'm literally queefing. Bruv, the whole week I've been queefing. But yes, we're getting a new exhaust today. Hopefully I'm gonna be hearing some pops and bangs. I wanna hear like the turbo fucking queefing. When this exhaust is on, you're gonna be hearing everything. You're gonna hear the twin turbos. You're gonna hear the fucking supercharger. Huh? So as you've probably seen previously, I've got my exhaust changed. You know what I mean? I got one that's got it's a sports one, but it's got a back box. We don't like back boxes. So yes, pretty much I'm straight piping it. Just fucking getting my dick. Nah. I'm gonna straight pipe it, just like I straight piped you. We're putting a straight pipe exhaust on that bitch. Hopefully, like, this shit's gonna be crazy, bro. I'm literally gonna be like fucking... If you are new to the channel, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Today's mad. You have to subscribe after this video because this Corsa is gonna sound mad. Literally, it's gonna be fun. There's gonna be flames coming out the back of it, I promise you. Best car you can ever buy, I promise you that. Let me show you the rear of it as well. Let me show you the previous exhaust, because this exhaust is calm, but it's not the greatest. Like, it's not looking that tantalizing. So as you can see, we have an exhaust right there. This one's already been put on, but we're gonna take that one straight off. Like, it's not big enough. We like it with a big hole. You're not about to put this in there. Like, if you gotta put that in there. So as you can see, there's actually a back box on it, yeah, and that's just making too much noise. It's not making enough noise. It's too quiet. I want to hear more of the engine. I want to hear more pops and bangs. You know what I'm saying? I want to hear that shit pop. You guys probably don't believe me when I said there's twin turbos in this Corsa, bro. I'm telling you, there's twin turbos. I'm gonna show you the twin turbos. Look at that, bro. Look at the twin turbos. You probably can't see it, but I'm telling you, it's there, bro. It's hidden behind the 1.4 litre, but I'm telling you, there's a turbo in here somewhere, but you just can't see it. Not even a turbo. I said twin, bro. It's twin turbo. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna show you guys what the exhaust currently sounds like. It doesn't sound great, but that's why we're getting it changed today. Let me just give you a little few revs, you know what I'm saying, so you know what it sounds like. I just want to say, yeah, if you saw my previous video, you know what happened to this tripod, bro. It got smoked, yeah, but obviously man revived it, you know what I mean? Me and him made amends.
I'll be on it. Clap.
But anyway, guys, I'm going to take the car for a quick drive so you guys can hear exactly what it sounded like. I'm going to hear all the pops and bangs, I'm telling you. Fucking hell, mate. Fuck the black box, bruv. There ain't no black box anymore, boys. This car, yeah, fucking porn. Can you hear it? I need to stop driving it like this, bruv. This ain't a fucking Honda, blood. I need to chill. Oh, bird. Oh, I almost killed a fucking pigeon. Oh my god, I almost killed a pigeon. Oh shit, bro, that thing had a death wish, blood. What the fuck? Mate, this car sound, the thing is, I can't lie, even with the exhaust gas that I have on it, it doesn't sound bad. I can't sit here and say it sounds bad. I just want it to be more, if I have a Corsa and I want to get a new car, I might as well just fucking go all out, do you know what I mean? Like, obviously I ain't gonna straight pipe the whole thing. I ain't getting no fucking resonator, fucking delete and fucking cat delete, what the fuck, I ain't doing that shit. But like, just straight pipe the back box and fucking see how it goes, innit? Like, there's no, like, fuck it. The car's $2 grand, bruv. Just fucking send it, man. Do you know what I mean? That's what I'm trying to do with this car. Like, I don't want to care too much no more. Like, just slap a bit of peas on that, get a decent exhaust, call it a fucking day, bruv. Woo-hoo-hoo! Bro, I love fucking cars, bro. That sounds, I'm feeling it, blood. But this ain't even the one I'm putting on, bruv. I got the one in the back, bro. I can't wait to get that put on. Obviously, I'm not doing it myself because your boy can't do them things, yeah? It's kind of long for man. I ain't doing that, bro. Fuck that. I'm gonna get someone to put it on for me. It just makes life easier for myself. Oh, mate. I need to chill. I need to chill. I need to chill. Can you hear it? Like, you get what I mean? Like, when you get up in the revs, that's when you can hear it. Like, when you're up in the revs, like, you gotta like be up in the rev range for you to actually hear the actual, do you know what I mean? If you're not up in the rev range, you're not gonna hear it. Right, so we're inside now. I'm gonna show you guys this exhaust. This shit, I ain't gonna lie, this exhaust is serious when I saw it. But yeah, no, this exhaust is actually mad. Literally, when I'm driving, all I'm gonna hear is, as you can see, This thing's wham. Look at the size of it, yeah? Have you ever seen a box this big before? Probably haven't. So the exhaust is in this box right now. As I mentioned before, it's a Hornet exhaust. It's gonna be bare pops and bangs, gonna be spitting flames, all sorts. It's gonna be mad. Now listen, all I'm gonna say is, look at the creps, yeah? Banging. Have you, look. Crep, these bruv. Listen, I'm just saying. Listen, if I pull up to your girl in these crepes, it's over. Listen, this is how I'm gonna walk, bruv. When I walk into your girl's house, this is how I'm gonna walk, bruv. I'm gonna be like this. Hey, are you done, blood? Hey, breathe. Bruv, your girl would move nuts if she saw this, bruv. Look. All I'm saying is, do not show that clip to your girl. She's gonna move nuts, I'm telling you. Anyway, let me unbox the exhaust for you guys so you know what it's looking like. Come on, this. Fuck. Okay, now. Shit. As you can see, it says Hornet exhaust right there. You can go on eBay, you can pretty much find it for like 70 quid. It's actually certified. I can't lie, when I put this on, you'll see for yourself. When I put this on, it's gonna be mad. This exhaust is looking lang, bruv. Look at it, like, look, bruv, look at this. Pang. When it's sitting at the bottom of my car, bruv, I'm telling you, everybody's gonna look and everyone's gonna get back excited and start creaming. But as you can see, it's pretty much straight through. There's no actual like back box bit to it, so hopefully it's gonna be a lot louder than the original one. We're gonna do the also important test, you know what I'm saying? Make sure that this can fit inside of that, so let's try it. I low-key want to get a bigger tip, you know what I'm saying? The bigger the tip. Alright, so pretty much, I'm going to drive to the garage now, get this exhaust put on, come straight back and fucking rip this bitch around and let you guys hear exactly what it sounded like. Can't lie, mate, I got to fucking walk home, yeah? Look at these shoes though, yeah? I'm just, bro, let me fucking show you guys the crepes. These crepes are fucking sexy. Look at them, bruv. Are you dumb? Bro, I swear, bruv, listen, bruv, there's no YouTuber that has more drip than me. I don't give a fuck, there's no way. Bro, look at the trap start, bro.
2,000 years later.
Yes, guys, so we are back. The exhaust is now on the car. I haven't heard it. I've been blocking my ears the whole time I was driving. I haven't heard it, but I'm excited to hear this. Like, I got a feeling, pops and bangs minimum. All I'm saying is, if you're excited to hear this, leave a like and subscribe straight right now. Don't stop what you're doing. Drop a like and subscribe if you're excited to hear this, because boys, it's mad, yeah? I haven't heard it, but it's mad. Let me show you guys what it's looking like anyway, so you guys can see it. It looks different, but it doesn't look like mad different. All right, cool. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. As you can see, the size of the bastard, bruv. Look at it. Bare wham, it bare sticks out, bruv. Look at it. It looks, I don't know, it's like a bit off, but it's still calm in it. It should just sit all right. It's not touching this anymore, so it ain't gonna melt my bumper, which is kind of gas. But yeah, man, it looks pretty much the same. It sticks out a bit, so I think it might hit like a curb or something, but I don't really care. But it sounds decent. I heard it a bit, but I'm gonna give you guys a few revs so you guys can know what it sounds like in it, because it's a bit mad. It's a bit mad. Am I hearing pops? Fucking no, mate. That is some serious shit. That's some serious shit. Bruv, you can hear the fucking air filter more. You can hear like everything more, bro. And I saw there's like a little pop like. Bruv, it's mad. Bruv, you can hear the air filter more. The air filter's like, you can hear it more, which is fucking weird because there's more airflow. Ah! You can hear the turbos, blood, are you dumb? I'm gonna do a side-by-side comparison of the old one and the new one. It's not gonna do it justice, that's the thing. Like, I know it's not gonna do it justice, but man, that is mad. It's mad. It's mad. I'm hearing flames. Bruv, you probably didn't see it, there's a flame. It's spat a flame, bro. We're gonna take it for a quick drive now. I'm gonna whip that bitch around the block. Yes, boys, we're gonna take it for a quick spin. I'm gonna spin this car like I've never spun it before, but I'm telling you, bruv, listen. The cornering, boys. The cornering, that's all I'm saying, bro. The cornering, bro. Ooh! That is decent, boys. That is decent. You know what I'm saying? That's an A+, bruv. That's an A+. I'm telling you, that's an A. Bruv, I can smell petrol, bruv. It's not sounding, it's not smelling great. That is mad. Ooh! Boys. Hold on. Let me pull up. I have to pull up. I refuse to continue. I need to get, let me stand. I need to get out of the car for a second. Hold on. So we're gonna go get little man's reaction. Yeah, the guy's like 5'1". Yeah, he's bare small, so we're gonna go get his reaction real quick. He's not into cars like that, so he probably won't like madly react. But listen, the car sounds good. I'm happy with it anyway. Like, it looks the part. It looks good. I think it looks better than my other one as well, because it sticks out slightly more as well. And I don't know, it's just got a bit of a nicer look to it. I don't know what it is, but something just looks nice. Like, the back of the car now looks sick. So little man's here. As I said, he's like 5'2". I mentioned that before, but yeah, we're gonna give him a little reaction and see what this man's saying.
We'll see what he done to the Batmobile.
Never say that again, bruv.
It's crazy, blood.
There's a pop!
No,
I don't really know.
Q3s are smaller.
Oh, look at big legs. Woohoo! Anyway, guys, he wants to drive my car real quick.
Sorry, it's gonna go bust.
Bombasted! My whip, bruv. Oh, that sounds good. But anyway, guys, that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Honestly, I'm very happy with the sound. You can hear it way more from the passenger seat, but I'm very happy with the sound. It sounds sick. Every time you pull up, everyone's gonna hear you coming. It's gonna be mad. But listen, I'm gonna show you the exhaust quick. Don't ever send it to anybody, Taz.
Don't say that to no one.
Bow. The exhaust is sexy, bro. I can't lie. You can even hear it rumbling. Yeah, 10-10. But yeah, if you did enjoy, as I said, leave a like and subscribe. We're on the road to what, like 10K? Can't lie. So if we can hit 10K, it'll be mad. But yeah, share it with your boys. I'll catch you guys in the next one.